Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. In today's digital age, organizations face a growing threat landscape in the form of cyber risks. Effectively, managing these risks is essential to safeguarding digital assets and maintaining business continuity. Let's explore how ISO 31000 provides a framework for cyber risk management. Understanding cyber risk management. Cyber risk management involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks related to the use of information technology and digital assets within an organization. These risks can include data breaches, malware attacks, system failures, and more. Integration with ISO 31000. ISO 31000 provides a comprehensive framework for risk management that can be applied to cyber risks as well. By integrating cyber risk management into the broader risk management process, organizations can ensure consistency and alignment with their overall risk management objectives. Identifying cyber risks. The first step in cyber risk management is identifying potential threats and vulnerabilities. This includes threat assessment, identifying potential cyber threats such as malware, phishing attacks, insider threats, and external hackers. Vulnerability assessment, identifying weaknesses in the organization's IT infrastructure, software systems, and security controls that could be exploited by cyber attackers. Assessing cyber risks. Once cyber risks are identified, they need to be assessed in terms of their potential impact and likelihood of occurrence. This involves quantitative analysis, assessing the financial impact of cyber incidents such as data breaches or system downtime to the organization. Qualitative analysis, assessing the broader impact of cyber risks on the organization's reputation, customer trust, regulatory compliance, and business operations. Mitigating cyber risks. After assessing cyber risks, organizations need to implement appropriate risk treatment measures to mitigate these risks. This includes implementing security controls, deploying technical controls such as firewalls, antivirus softwares, encryption, and multi-factor authentication to protect against cyber threats. Training and awareness. Educating employees about cybersecurity best practices and raising awareness about common cyber threats and how to prevent them. Incident response planning. Developing a comprehensive incident response plan to quickly detect, respond to, and recover from cyber incidents. Monitoring and review. Cyber risk management is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring and review. This involves monitoring cyber threats, keeping abreast of the latest cyber threats and vulnerabilities through threat intelligence feeds, security advisors, and industry reports. Reviewing controls. Regularly reviewing and updating security controls and mitigation measures to ensure they remain effective in addressing evolving cyber risks. In conclusion, cyber risk management is a critical component of overall risk management in today's digital world. By integrating cyber risk management into the ISO 31000 framework, organizations can effectively identify, assess, and mitigate cyber risks to safeguard their digital assets and maintain business continuity. Thank you for your attention. I hope this topic has provided valuable insights into cyber risk management in ISO 31000. If you have any questions or would like to discuss further, please feel free to engage in the question and answer session. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleague. Thank you.